Herpes, there's nothing you could do right now to make me kick Eric. This man is enjoying wins. I'm not going to kick him for the 245 biddies. I'm so unlucky. There's a guy right there to the right. Ooh, there's the outpost, baby. I feel bad for these guys.
Well, build him on the point.
Trying to push up on Mortain is damn near impossible. These guys are fighting at a downhill advantage on a map that's filled with bushes. That man's insane. He saw me instantly. Refund the prediction. It was rigged. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I thought I was going to keep... Clax, how many biddies for you to do a drunk stream? I know you don't drink, but what if? 500 gifted, I'll do it. No, I'm just kidding. That fucking ripped the loudest fart I've ever done. Chad, what's the longest fart you've ever had? Oh my god. I need to find out where these guys are attacking from.
Alright, sorry, I'm kind of burning through munitions right now.
Gotta reposition. God damn it. Oh my, oh buddy, that looked like
There's another supply truck mid if somebody wants to do more supply runs.
Did you hear me?
Hi-ya! I'm surprised I did not break my leg.
You got the light tank.
Good shit. Guys, don't get too focused on that front side. We gotta defend 360. They're gonna sneak in behind us.
I'm sorry, it's a 76.
Yeah, 76 tank.
Our outpost is hot,
Hey,
Eric. They're
whoever's
coming to
that
the south now.
single medium tank needs to watch out. They
Alright, we're gonna get behind the enemy here. Give him the old reach around.
We have probably 2 tanks on Commander Mark. There's a heavy and a...
Garrison destroyed on Alpha.
Check maps, recon's up.
Oh my gosh, Roblox there, boss man.
This tank and this infantry push.
Charlie, you can clear Gary Mark, that's clear. Oh! Man's rolled a grenade right into my lap. Practically got a third nut there. this morning when I was benching, I was benching this morning, and when I was benching this morning, I was pushing. I was doing 225 like always, and I was doing a set. I was getting to my 5th rep. On that 5th rep, I shit you not, I almost farted mid-set, and there was other people in the gym too, because I was pushing so damn hard, which results in me not pronouncing some words with the correct syllables, if that makes sense.
Quad's putting up
Alright, roger that, Cap.
Nice.
76 item marker.
Oh my goodness.
marked it.
Oh yeah. Ah! Oh my god, that man scared the shit out of me.
Place out.
I mean, it didn't die? 2 bullets? That man still had his binos out. That's funny. Third hit.
Yeah, if somebody can move up to that north spot to place a garrison, you're gonna need multiple garrisons to relay this.
Alright,
I'll put my.
I'm running over.
Head.
We need a garrison at 42. So
How'd I miss that, man?
Okay, a garrison.
You're gonna have to work with your squad on that.
Oh, the guy in the road?
Guy dead
There's a couple of them on the road.
Yeah.
right now. They are
I was
on
talking
our
about the
flank.
shotgun guy. I had his
Established
noggin
presence
right
on
on the scope, I thought.
and south. Can't just spawn.
Yeah, there's like 3 guys pushing that.
I tried to pin it.
Yeah, let's clear your.
Ah, they got
Let's,
me.
map. Let's make sure we have accurate markers.
Oh my god! Oh, that was the commander. W.
They're pushing from the north.
Alright, dropping bombing run.
Northeast.
Dropping bombing run west of point. E5, E6. Clear up those map markers if you can. They're all over the place.
No! Damn it, I was gonna do it again! That guy probably didn't even notice, bro. He didn't even flinch. I want this Timmy. There's a Timmy up ahead on the right that I want. I want to shovel him. He will not stand in between me and my destiny.
Get more carries up, guys. Work with your supports. Don't have a lot of fuel left.
Oh my goodness.
Can you build that
I
garrison?
practically flicked the bird to that man. That's how hard that man got flicked on. Tank, whatever you do, don't open your mailbox. You have herpes. Chat,
Tell who.
Chat, this is unreal.
Call out tanks. Make sure you're calling those tanks out so get AT on that.
Yes, please call out tanks.
Hey, India, can you build a Gary anywhere around there?
Yeah, buddy.
I think that set back their attack quite a bit.
Garrison on point is gone.
Oh yeah, hop that ass on Roblox.
Gary's gone on point.
Alpha
we
tank
know
marks
Gary
medium.
up. Can anybody get Gary up on Delta?
Is there still a tank that me?
I don't mark the tank echo.
Dog squad, we need to get Gary up. So,
Oh. There's a fire started in my heart. There's a fire. A lot of smoke. Oh, Eric, Gary on feed. Dude, if I were these guys, I'd be so fucking mad. Nice job. Alright, so they might have another blue line Gary here on the move mark. I got 50 supplies on me. There might be a Gary nearby.
There's a guy right there in the bush.
Copy.
They saw me. I wasn't gonna come to you.
I got him.
On the circle.
There's a Garrison on it.
Nice. Nice.
These guys are gonna be so mad.
What was that? 3 in a row?
Yeah. Chat, Eric and I have destroyed 3 of their blue line Garys within 2 minutes. If I was the enemy commander, I would be so livid right now. I could not stand. Yeah, no. Chat, I have to be really quiet.
Good on our
This guy might run to his friendlies. Hey, yo. Chat, 70 kills, 25 deaths, 26 headshots, 5 garrisons, 5 outposts. Eric also had garrisons too.